If you're building your first mini course and you're wondering how to make it even more enticing to people who might buy it, you've got to think about your bonuses. In this video, we're gonna talk about bonuses and extras in your mini course that are relatively easy to build, but can add tons of value to your course. This is day 28 of Crush It on Kajabi in 90 days. We're doing 90 straight days of videos all about your online business and how to start it, build it, and grow it on the best platform for online business there is, which is Kajabi. And if you're thinking about jumping on Kajabi, this is the best time to do it. You're gonna get a 30-day free trial with my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You're also gonna get a 45-minute Zoom call with me. We're gonna talk about your business, talk about Kajabi, make sure you get the best possible start on that platform. And also, I wanna give you my $25,000 course launch email template. These are the exact emails and email strategy that I used to launch my first course, which made over $25,000 in the first 3 launches. So with my link, you get the 30-day free trial, you get the Zoom call, and you get the course launch email template, all as a way to say thank you for using my link, which is an affiliate link. So when you use it, I do get a small commission. So if you appreciate what we're doing here on this channel and it's helping you out, and you plan on jumping on the Kajabi anyway, then I'd appreciate it so much if you used my link. All right, so let's talk about bonuses. I love offering bonuses with my courses. It's one of the best ways to take a simple course and add a little pizzazz to it, so that when you begin to build your sales page and write your sales emails, which we'll get into in future videos, you're able to say, hey, not only do you have this course, which again is gonna help you solve this really important problem, but I'm gonna throw in some extra goodies that's gonna make it even more enticing to you. I'm gonna give you a few ways to add bonuses. One is just extra lessons. I don't mean extra as in add more content to the course already. I mean the course is wrapped up and you have an additional bonus lesson that maybe covers a related problem, that maybe answers a related question, that maybe is something that you know people are gonna be enticed by and intrigued by, and you can throw it in there, and it might be something like a 45-minute lesson with slides and a worksheet and all that is going to be very valuable, but isn't included in the course. One of the ways that I did this in my mini course, Preaching Jumpstart, is I did an evaluation of one of my own sermons. So Preaching Jumpstart is a 7-lesson course on how to write and deliver a message. And then I just did a bonus lesson where I critique and evaluate one of my own sermons. I knew that this might pique some curiosity from some of my students, just saying, okay, let's see what this guy can do and whether he'll actually critique his own sermons and what we can learn from that. So that's a bonus that I threw in. It actually ended up being a 2-part, about a 3-hour set of bonuses because I went into a lot of depth, but it was super easy for me to do. I didn't have to necessarily prepare a ton of material to sit down and record myself critiquing my own sermon. So something to think about is a bonus lesson or an extra lesson. The second way you can add a bonus is simply access to you. In one of my courses, if you buy the platinum version of it, there's a bonus in there where I will personally evaluate one of your sermons. This is in my flagship course, Killer Sermons Academy. So they pay a little bit more, but the bonus included is that they get a personalized sermon review from me. You could do the same with your students, whatever you're teaching. If you're teaching gardening, if you're teaching fitness, which we've talked about a lot, maybe you do a Zoom call with your students. Maybe you offer a bonus that's a one-time Zoom call with you where they can ask you any questions they want. People love to get access to the instructor, especially if you have that know, like, and trust factor where they know you, they like you, and they trust you. And so not only are they gonna get to be in your course, but they're actually gonna get to see you, be known by you, interact with you. That can be an incredibly valuable bonus that you don't really have to do any preparation for, because they take the course, and then when you have your Zoom call, you just show up ready to answer any questions they have. And the third way to add bonuses is just more downloadables. Maybe you could write an ebook that complements the course really well, or a workbook that they can go deeper with the learning. Is there something that you can put together that you can add as a bonus? So those are 3 options. I would pick one to add onto your mini course to up the value just a little bit. If you're ready to jump onto Kajabi, be sure to use my link below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of the videos in this series. And leave me a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll be sure to answer them in future videos in this series. At this point, you can check out this playlist right here, where I'm gonna go into more depth about Kajabi, and you can see if it's right for you. So click right here on this playlist and I'll join you in there, or you can just wait for the next video to pop up. I'll see you tomorrow.